The Edisto's the longest, what'd you say?
World's longest blackwater river.
World's longest blackwater river.
The tannins from the leaf litter
Make it black. Well, you want to walk along this boardwalk a little bit?
Yes, let's do.
Oh, the water wheel's seen better days, hasn't it?
Yeah.
There's some hostas, and I don't know what that thick fern-like stuff is called. What would that be? Fern frond.
Yeah. I just love the patterns we see in nature. What do we have here?
Oh. Do you see an identifying sign?
I do not.
It's very dainty on the tree. It looks like it's some form of nut tree.
Good.
Now we're actually moved over away from the roses to the Horn Wetlands Park, Parks and Recreations Department of Orangeburg, South Carolina. So we're going to walk along the boardwalk a ways and show you what's going on. I don't know what this stuff is called. It's it looks like a fern with a really broad leaf. There's some hostas, and I don't know what that is either. I need to get better with my plants. I could get my phone out and look it up, couldn't I? Take a picture of it. But the water here is very black. And like Scott said, it's caused from leaf debris. Isn't that pretty? So peaceful. And there's Scott looking out over it. Alright, we're going to walk and enjoy, and if I see something cool, I'll come back. How much better could it get? Water moving underneath you, and leaves and greenery all around you, and bird song.
Smell of things in bloom.
Yeah. Although what we're smelling is privet, which is invasive as all get out. Thank you, Victorians.
What an amazing river.
I know it. It'd be neat to just glide along in a flat bottom boat on it.
It'd be like on Swampy. Shoot 'em!
No, I'm not going to shoot anything. Just so peaceful. That's a broad-headed skink, and something got his tail.
It's a young one.
They get much larger. He's just a lizard, but he's called a skink.
They love these wet places.
We were walking along, and I saw those lilies over there. And thankfully, this camera will zoom us right over there. Aren't those pretty? Look at the size of this cypress tree. That's like, it's over 6 feet wide. Isn't that amazing?
Water dances like it's alive.
I never could understand my art teacher in high school talking about shadows contain color too. They're not just black. And then you have to think about the reflective value. So your shadow can sometimes just look like a reflection of the tree. So you have to include a hint of the color that you've used in the tree. Yeah, that's why I'm talking about that, is I just noticed that, and it kind of brings it home. It's so peaceful here. Alright, Scott looked this up on Google with his phone, and it's black cohosh, not privet. I just wanted to clarify that, but that's what we're smelling, is this here. Live oak trees just speak so deeply to my soul. I had to share this one. Look how massive she is. Look how wide that is. Scott's gonna walk over there so you can see exactly how big. He's about 6'2", 6'1". And that's just how big that tree is. Look how small he is compared to her. Look at that. Isn't that cool?